Major victory for President Trump as the Supreme Court rules in favor of his travel ban. And now the White House is hoping to use that momentum on tax reform. Griff Jenkins joins us now live from Washington, D.C. with what is up next. Good morning, Griff.
Good morning, Heather. The Supreme Court has given the administration a very significant victory, allowing them to enforce the travel ban on 6 Muslim-majority countries while lower court challenges play out. Those 6 countries are Chad, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Syria, and Yemen. Now, it's significant, Heather, because it indicates the High Court does not believe the ban exceeds the president's authority under immigration law or that it discriminates against Muslims. White House Deputy Spokesman Hogan Gidley saying, quote, "We are not surprised by today's Supreme Court decision permitting immediate enforcement of the president's proclamation limiting travel from countries presenting heightened risks of terrorism. The proclamation is lawful and essential to protecting our homeland." 2 justices, Ginsburg and Sotomayor, dissenting on the ruling, and the ACLU maintaining this still amounts to a Muslim ban despite the ruling. In the court, not the only one busy in Washington, as the House voted to take their tax bill into conference, the first step in blending the House and Senate plans and one step closer to the president's Christmas promise.
We're now one huge step closer to delivering to the American people the historic tax relief as a giant present for Christmas.
Both the House Republicans and Democrats naming their conferees on tax reform, as Minority Leader Nancy Pelosi saying this actually may amount to the end of the world.
The debate on health care is life-death. This is Armageddon. This is a very big deal because you know why? There's really a very hard way to come back from this.
The president has lunch today at the White House with GOP senators. That's close to the press, but I can imagine they'll be talking about the tax bill and perhaps the ruling. And certainly, don't forget, Heather, we've got that spending bill deadline by Friday. They've got to get together on that as well.
Yeah, and as the president says, a meeting with Chuck and Nancy on Thursday. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, Griff.